Hi there. Welcome to a new week and a new theme here on the 1 Minute Retirement Tip. This week, I'm very excited. It's another guest takeover of the 1 Minute Retirement Tip. I have Nick True here to share with you the importance of budgeting. Nick is the host of a very popular money flash briefing, also on Alexa, just like the 1 Minute Retirement Tip. It's called 30-Second Money. I thought if you thought the 1 Minute Retirement Tip was short, this is even shorter. So if you're listening on your Alexa device, like most of my loyal listeners are, and you like Nick's tips this week, be sure to check out his Alexa brief by searching for 30-Second Money in your Alexa app, where you can hear his daily wise tips. So here's a little bit more about Nick. I actually met Nick a couple of years ago, and interestingly enough, he is the one who introduced me to the idea of doing a short form podcast like the 1 Minute Retirement Tip for the Amazon Alexa platform. I'd never even considered it, and he told me all about it, and I'm so excited and happy that he did and shared the wealth of knowledge that he has. He's one of the pioneers in the Alexa flash briefing world, especially when it comes to money tips. So be sure to check him out. So here's a little bit more about Nick. Nick True is a married 20-something from Tennessee. He's actually the father of 4 fur children, 2 dogs, 2 cats. And through Mapped Out Money, Nick writes and speaks about personal finance, budgeting, and slow-fi. If you aren't familiar with that term, it sounds kind of cool, slow-fi. But it's basically like getting financial independence. That's what FI or FI stands for. Doing that in a slow, kind of the tortoise wins the race kind of way. And he does all of this while traveling full-time with his wife, his 4 pets, in a 27-foot Airstream. Yes, if you check out his photos on social media, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. He lives a very interesting and a very mobile lifestyle. So with some creative help from his wife, Hannah, Nick aims to produce approachable and engaging personal finance content to help you understand finance and manage your money so you can get on with living your unique adventure. Now, Nick actually, even though he's a 20-something, you think, oh, he just works with younger people, but that's not true. He has experience working with people in all stages of their financial journey. And I know his perspective and his unique insight on budgeting will be very valuable for you this week. And that's why I bring guests on the 1 Minute Retirement Tip, because I want you to hear other perspectives as well. I obviously don't have all the answers, but I think his experience and his knowledge and his background are all going to contribute and bring you some good nuggets of wisdom this week. So that's it for today. But before you go, if you haven't already left a review for the 1 Minute Retirement Tip, please consider leaving an honest review in Amazon or in iTunes. I do read all of them, so feel free to also leave any topic suggestions there too, any feedback as well. I take that all into consideration, and I very much appreciate any honest feedback or topic suggestions that you have. Thank you so much for listening. My name is Ashley Micciche, and this is the 1 Minute Retirement Tip.